They're all around us. In the air, on our skin. You'll even find them here in the food we eat, the water we drink. Tiny, powerful microbes are everywhere, transforming our world with their enzymes. The closer we look, the more we discover about these microscopic transformers' potential to solve not just everyday problems, but to transform the very way we produce and consume for a sustainable future. We call them biosolutions.
One-third of all food is wasted, and dairy products are no exception. 80% of yogurt waste throughout the value chain is related to the short shelf life. But a study showed that by adding just 7 days to the shelf life, yogurt waste could be reduced by almost a third. For thousands of years, people worldwide have fermented foods to preserve it. Traditionally, this was a spontaneous biological process that started when you left the milk out overnight and then hoped for the right lactic acid bacteria to start the process. We studied the fermentation process and discovered that with the best mix of cultures to start the process, we could give the good bacteria the upper hand against the bad ones, and thereby keep the yogurt fresh for longer. And yogurt is just one example of how biosolutions can help reduce food waste. By studying the Asian process of fermentation, we found a solution, a biosolution.
Producing and using clothes consumes a lot of energy and water, and too often we throw out our clothes before we need to. Either because their colors fade or they smell bad despite being freshly washed. The smell is often caused by sweat and bacteria trapped in a sticky layer on the inside of your clothes. But in seaweed we found a solution. Seaweed is covered by a thin sticky layer, and on the seaweed are bacteria that produces enzymes. Like scissors, these enzymes cut and break down the sticky layer into pieces so it can be used as nutrition for the bacteria. We identified the enzymes from the bacteria on the seaweed and optimized it for detergents so it could break down the smelly sticky layer on your clothes. Laundry brands can now make your clothes look clean and smell fresher for longer. By studying life, we found a solution to improve our everyday lives.
We're not saying we have the answers to all the world's problems today, but who knows what tomorrow might bring. We can already see that the transformative potential of biosolutions is immense. We're only just getting started, yet there's still so much to explore.